Financial literacy. This is our today's topic. Financial literacy. How do you actually introduce into young minds? How do you introduce financial literacy into young minds? So why is financial literacy important to be inserted into the minds of young people? Everyone should know about finance in the family. If there's a breadwinner in a family, it's just not them who have to understand about the finances of the family. The earnings, the spendings, the salary, the savings is just not the breadwinner of the family's work. The breadwinner of the family has to do it mainly, but your children, the next generation, have the most need to make sure that you do this. They have to know about your finance. This is really important, and you have to make sure that they know about your finance. Because most of the parents nowadays, they ask one question: my child is too young, there's no need for him to understand finance and actually learn about finance. But financial knowledge is important for everyone, every human being. They have to make sure to take care of their finance. So okay, now what do we do next? How do you incorporate finance into young minds? You incorporate finance into young minds. By the age of 4, you send your child to a petty shop. You give them 7 rupees and you ask them to buy a chocolate worth 5 rupees. See if they bring the change correctly home. And then after you grow up, you go to a shop with your parents to buy grocery. You give them some amount, maybe 500 rupees. And if the total bill is 420 rupees, ask your child to calculate how much did you spend. It will be 420 rupees. And what is the balance? It's 80 rupees. And if they actually do anything wrong, is that you should not scold them. You should basically tell them that it's wrong, and you have to change them from inside. That is really important. And when you scold them, it's going to create them a fear about money. After that, when they grow up, you can give them a small amount where you can actually save and buy things of your own. This is important, and when they turn into an adult, they'll be totally aware of finance, and it won't have a fear on finance, because most of them have a fear about money. And the second kind of people do not care about money. They think that it's just a breadwinner's job to take care of the finances. No, you're wrong. This is everyone's job in the family. That too, the jobs of the young minds to take care of the finances of the family as well, because you are the next generation. And you have to take care of your family finances when you grow up. It's not, you won't get all of those responsibilities when you turn 18 automatically. It should be incorporated in your minds by your parents from a young age for you to get the whole of money when you grow up. I think that's all for today. I'll meet you all tomorrow in a new video. It's me, Yashwan, signing off. Bye. Peace out.